everyone. I'm going to do another video on a bird feeder that I bought for myself, and it's just been such a high traffic bird feeder. I decided to do a video just about it, and it is this picnic table feeder. It's as easy as it looks. You just pour feed on the top of it. I got it from a hardware store, and it's been, high traffic, like I said. I got it for my blue jays, and I have it in the corner of my yard because you don't really want blue jays around the other birds. They're really aggressive. They eat other birds' eggs and stuff like that. So if you have blue jays come into your yard, you want to keep them separate from other birds like cardinals and things like that. But I do find the blue jays that come to my yard aren't really aggressive. They'll share the picnic table with other birds and not mind. So that they're pretty docile. But this one has been a big success. Yesterday, I was shooting some footage. I had blue jays, I had sparrows, I had cardinals eating from it, and I have a separate bird feeder that I've kind of made my cardinal feeder. But yesterday they were just preferring this picnic table feeder. So I would put this in the category of platform feeders. I may do a separate video on platform feeders in the future. But most platform feeders are a tray with a mesh bottom that hangs from chains that you can put on a shepherd's hook or branches or whatever. This is also a type of platform feeder, and I just have it sitting on the ground. But what made this feeder such a success was I used this food, Mr. Bird Flaming Hot Feast. I got this from Rubicon in Flint, Texas. So if you're near Flint, I would recommend this. It has peanuts and sunflower seeds, and I believe it has mealworms in it. And the squirrels stayed away from it. I got a lot of footage of different kinds of birds eating at the picnic table, and the squirrels were nowhere around. So I think it does do a good job of keeping birds away, or keeping squirrels away, and only attracting birds. So this pairing is enough that I felt it should be its own video. You can get these at any time. Like I said, I would put it maybe after you started using suet cakes, or maybe even after a hopper feeder, if you've tried that, because you are going to run into a problem with squirrels, and it being just out in the open, they're going to definitely go for this because it's more accessible. So it's all about what bird feed you use. So that's why I would maybe suggest it after your hopper feeder, and you kind of get the idea of how to keep squirrels away. But anyway, this, if you're near Flint, Texas, I would recommend this. I think I got this from a Lowe's, so you could probably get them from any Lowe's. And this pairing has been working very well over the last few days. So have fun, and thanks for watching.